Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to enable variable refresh rate for games in Windows 11. So just follow some easy steps. Firstly click on start, then click on settings. Now here guys you have to click on gaming. Now here guys you have to click on display. Now scroll down. Now scroll down and click on advanced display. Now here guys you can choose a refresh rate. A higher rate gives A higher rate gives smoother motion but also use more power. So you can select from this list as your requirement and as your need. So I have not option to change, but if you have option in your PC or laptop, so you can select higher. But make sure a higher rate gives smoother motion but also use more power. So this is the way guys you can enable and turn on refresh rate in variable refresh rate for games in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.